these guys are doing burnouts on my scooter.
It's our scooter, not yours.
Let's go.
Is this what we...
How's the box look? It looks pretty good, right? Honestly, it looks really good. They couldn't figure out how to get this here. It was a mistake that they made.
What mistake that they made?
So, because they did that, they're all confused. They don't know where it's supposed to go. So they're asking me a million questions. Okay. Now I gotta break these off. Real quick, I'm just gonna use the 360 camera and inspect the box. It looks really good, actually.
Wait, that is on too?
Oh yeah. I'm just making a video. This is the only thing that I see that's even damaged at all. Alright, so never mind your name.
Red is for the left, right? Red is for the left, right? But that's one in the box, right? But in China, red is for the color. I can't wait to see those LEDs.
I know. Hopefully it still has some battery. Remember that video?
Yeah, I remember that video.
Yeah, he's a nice guy, doesn't he? Alright, he did the unboxing with his son, and I'm doing it with my daughter. Look at this. You want to come take a look? Try and make sure all y'all also getting the video. It might not work down. It might still be pointing up, but
No,
this is how they do it. They put this foam in it. Have you seen the video with me where they do the foam?
No. Oh my god, this foam is so hard. Does it really matter on the foam?
This
Or
is
does it
smart
matter?
cardboard. Give it a little.
I don't
You want to do it?
wanna-
You want to take it out?
That was easy.
Actually, yes. Pretty good system. Thank you, my love.
Welcome. So this is the
Oh, you're giving a little narration too. Thank you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Coming up.
That looks like a chair.
Maybe that can be your chair.
My little pop chair.
Do you want a chair?
Oh my god.
Oh, wow. Now that is something.
Now that.
That is something. You want the pin? Do you want to touch the pin?
Yeah. Don't break it.
There you go.
This
Mish.
is a pin.
That's the
No.
Ooh, look at that! They gave me. Oh, they got WEPED socks. WEPED socks. Okay, cool. You know what that is.
What?
I got that for you. That's it. It's mine
Wow.
now. It's mine. Oh wow! I'm so convinced. There's supposed to be keys here. Sweet. This is heavy duty. LEDs. They use the gummy LEDs. Yes, my love. The rotors.
What's a rotor?
Rotors are part of how the thing stops. So everything looks good so far, right? Do you see anything wrong?
No.
Good. This is where these guys were doing burnouts on my scooter. In the video, you remember?
Yeah.
Having fun on my Sonic X.
It's our scooter, not yours.
Guys. Alright, so this goes up, remember? Oh, let me cut this. Okay, the box. Here
Yeah.
are the keys. Check it out.
Ooh.
a good
LED
picture.
backpack over here.
Yeah, I got it for you, but you're not even excited, so
I am excited. I was like,
you're pretending to be excited now.
wow. I am excited, you know.
Okay, Jinky eyeballs.
You want to touch it?
Sweetie, I know that.
You couldn't figure out last time, but
I was pressing it. Come on.
maybe you have to put it in a different angle. Find out that it's very tall. It looks so short on the videos. No, it looks short on the videos. Yeah, look at these LEDs.
You haven't even turned it on yet. I hope everything's...
Even that has cool stuff in it. What is that liquidy stuff in the WEPED sign over there?
So that's called brake fluid. Cars have this as well. It's hydraulic fluid. Have you learned about hydraulics with them Mark Rover videos yet?
No. Okay.
So you remember the handlebars? How to do it? They got their own pin
Yeah.
right here. Oh, the cold, this sucks.
The what sucks?
The cold, like the metal's Here, get a look at this screen here. You can kind of see some of the stuff. Hopefully that's not damage. On the screen you can see. Hold on, sweetie, I'm talking to the camera.
That was a close one.
Get the charger out of the way.
Here's the base. You can see some of it. Whoa, this has some nice grip on here.
Does it?
Yeah, it has some nice grip, like those little lucky things. The one that has those.
Wow, look at the size of the deck. Isn't that huge?
It doesn't look huge, but
What do you
when
mean
like
doesn't look
it's
huge?
yeah, it's huge and it's wide.
Have I ever had a scooter that was this big? The answer is no. So, all right, kickstand. So this is the trick. Remember?
You're gonna edit it, right? Like the parts where
Yeah.
like they're like wrong. It has 3 needles. I think you should take it.
No, this is how you have to do it. You're like
Dad,
I'm not gonna let it happen now. You have to do it like
I can see the wheel, but it was like going bonkers. Like this was going down, this was spinning, this was spinning.
Okay,
Everything was
that's
going
good to go.
bonkers.
That's good to go. There's no way I can lift this thing. So, it's heavy as hell. Roll, big bastard.
Dad.
What?
Oh, you did a good job. Does it come with instructions?
Great question, and the answer is unfortunately right now, no.
The batteries are not in there.
What batteries?
The batteries that go under the deck.
The batteries are under the deck right now. They're under the deck.
They are?
All right, so.
I thought the battery was over
All
there.
right, so here's what I want to do. Come over here, give me the camera. So I'm gonna just check and make sure
Oh.
that the rotors, that's something that sometimes get damaged. So when you roll it,
What's this
you can see
part?
there's no noise.
What's this part?
That's called a shark fin.
Oh, is it like you put your
LED.
foot up here?
No, actually, that would be nice if WEPED did that. If they had like a kick plate, they call it, where you put your foot.
But then what is
These are
that
rolling
part?
nicely. Everything looks straight.
Then what is that part?
That is, so WEPED, their whole thing, oh, look at it, I'm like right by the, here, I want you to take over camera again.
Okay.
So WEPED, their whole thing, one of their things they've always had is that their scooters fold down so that they're more portable. Now this thing is like as much as daddy, so this is not portable, but it does fold. That's what it looks like when it's all together. Cool. Well, time to ride.